Hey guys, I thought it'd be fun to create a traveler personality quiz with Typebot, so what better place than to get some ideas than going to chatbot GPT. I asked ChatGPT to create a fun quiz to help people figure out what kind of traveler they are, and then it gave me a simple 5-question quiz. It also generated a point system along with categories for each personality type. Based on that information, I recreated the quiz questions here in Typebot. For purely aesthetic reasons, I decided to use the set variable logic instead of using the conditional to assign answers their respective points. To do this, I went back to ChatGPT and I asked it, in the travel personality quiz, how would you express that in JS code to calculate points? I kept asking it questions until I finally got the code that would work with my quiz. Here you can see the function that I use that calculates points for every question. Again, I only did it this way to calculate the points because I like the way it looked versus doing a conditional and then mapping the conditions to each different value or each different answer. I think the flow looks nice and tight this way. You can see at the end of each question block that I have this set variable block. It's the same function to calculate points like you saw in the previous example, but it's saved to a different variable. If you found this video helpful so far, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. To calculate the total points, all we're doing is adding the points collected at the end of each question. And then to calculate the travel personality for the person taking the quiz, I'm using this function called getTravelPersonality and then returning one of 4 values. You can see the values here of beach bum, thrill seeker, culture vulture, and nature wanderer. After the user takes the quiz and then we figure out what kind of personality type they are, I think it would be really fun to ask them if they would like an itinerary. So that'll be another typebot I'll be working on. If you want to copy this travel personality quiz, go to Gist and then download the file. There's no sign up needed, and I'll pass the link over in the comments or in the post somewhere in the description. Go to your Typebot account and then go to Import File. And now you're ready to make your own quiz. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any ideas on how to improve this Typebot, I'd love to hear them. And if you use Typebot to create your own quiz, I'd love to hear that too. All right, see you in the next one.